Again, very good morning to all of you. Very good afternoon to all of you. And yesterday we started with portfolio performance analysis. We discussed one sum. Today we will discuss another sum where we will calculate Jensen, Trainer, and Sharpe measure again. I'm giving you 1 minute's time. Please gather all your pen and page with you, and then we will calculate the sum. So this is the sum. You may click the picture and you may click calculate Sharpe, Jensen, and Trainer measure for the same. Right? If you want me to, I can give you the formula for each of this. Right? You just copy it and let me write the Jensen measure. I'm writing J. Right? Jensen measure is what? Portfolio return minus. Can anybody tell me what is the formula for Jensen? Portfolio return minus risk-free rate of return and divided by, can anybody tell me what I should divide it with? Anyone in the class can tell me what is the Jensen measure formula? Yes? No? Okay, it is the beta of the portfolio. It is what? It is beta of the portfolio. Then what is the Sharpe measure? The same as above, but only divided by the standard deviation. So portfolio return minus a risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation यानी कि sigma of portfolio, standard deviation of the portfolio. And what is the trainer measure? Trainer measure is portfolio return minus CAPM formula. What is that?
मैम
हाँ,
ये तो उसका जेनसन का नहीं है।
क्या?
ये जो पोर्टफोलियो रिटर्न माइनस सीएपीएम जो है।
Sorry. This is trainer and this is Jensen. Thank you. This is trainer and this is Jensen measure. So RP minus RF plus beta into market return minus RF. So you need to calculate it for all the three fund portfolio A, portfolio Z, and market portfolio. These are the three different formulas, right? You need to calculate performance measure for each of this. Chalo, calculate it and tell me the answer. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. I hope all of you are calculating some. Yes?
Ma'am, question.
Yes, Sagar?
Question.
Oh, yes. I hope everyone is done with this sum. Yes? Sagar, Yash,
Yes,
Sneha,
ma'am.
Krimi, Chitra. Okay. So what is the answer for first portfolio A trainer measure? What is the answer? Is it 0.28?
मैम
Who
वो
is
शार्पे
getting?
का ये जो
Oh, sorry. This is Sharpe. Trainers first is 7.14.
यस मैम
All of you are getting the same answer. Sneha, can you please confirm? Sneha, Sagar.
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
Acha, so you're calculating still?
Yes.
Okay. Krimi, your answer is the same? Krimi, can you hear me? Yash, Z answer is 9.23
यस मैम
and the M is 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the rank is given, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Highest is better. Okay, what is the sharpest answer? Same, 0.28,
Yes.
0.48 for Z portfolio,
Yes.
and 0.40 for M, right? So again, here the rank is 1, 2, and 3. All of you are getting the same answer? Sagar, Yash, please confirm.
Yes.
यस मैम
Yeah, okay. And in this, देखिए market index so will be always 0 here, right? So here you need not to calculate market, and the portfolio A's answer is minus 0.6 and portfolio Z answer is 1.6,
Yes.
right? So here portfolio A is not so good, right? Because it is not giving as per the expected return, even though it is giving good return compared to its beta and standard deviation, right? But the portfolio is not giving return as per expected because this portfolio is higher standard deviation, whereas portfolio Z is good in terms of this. All of you are getting the same answer? Yes? Yes or no? Please confirm.
यस मैम
Yeah, okay. So this is the question we wanted to calculate. One more sum, let us calculate. This is what we calculated yesterday. Sharpe and Jensen alpha have been calculated. The next sum is okay. So we have only one or two sum to do, right? Any doubt in this? This kind of sum will be asked in trainer, Jensen, and Sharpe measure, right? So you have to remember this three formula and you will have to apply accordingly. Right, so all these kind of sums only will be asked. That might be asked for the 8-mark question. Right, write down next question. We'll do one more sum practice. Right here, the same, please draw the same table. I will be writing here only portfolio, return, standard deviation, and beta. Here we will be writing portfolio X, portfolio Y, and market index. Write down in the question. All of you should be writing this now. Portfolio X, portfolio Y, and market index. Portfolio X return is 10%. Portfolio Z return is 20%. And market return is 14%. Standard deviation of this portfolio is 8%, not 8. Keep it 12%. Standard deviation of this portfolio is 12. This is 19. and this is 16.
Ma'am,
The
screen is not visible.
Acha, screen is not visible. So at the same table, you will have to make portfolio return and the standard deviation. Wait a minute. Right, same table make, I'm writing, this will be portfolio X, this is portfolio Y, and this is market index. Portfolio X return 8%, portfolio Y return 12%, market 9%. Standard deviation of A is 12%, standard deviation of Y is 16%, and standard deviation of market is 13%. Beta is the same, 0.7, 1.3, and 1.0. Risk-free rate of return, take 8% and calculate Trainer, Sharpe, and Jensen measure. I'm giving you only 2 minutes time. You should complete it as soon as you can do it.
Ma'am, risk-free rate is
8%. RFR is 8%. All of you must be calculating this sum.